Hey Yarniacs, welcome back to another video. So today I am sharing with you how to make the stitch pattern for my simple sweater. It literally is the easiest crochet sweater you will ever make, and it'll probably be the prettiest, if I do say so myself. But I just wanted to share with you exactly how to make the stitches and then explain a little bit of the construction to you. This sweater is made in 4 panels and you have 3 different sleeve options. You have the short sleeve option, which is what I have here. And then you also have 3/4 and long sleeve options as well. I also have some notes in there of how to make it longer or shorter if you have a torso that is a shorter torso, or if you are more of a tall size. Guys, it's so simple and so easy. You're going to love it. I will link down below the link directly to the Ravelry pattern where you can get it for $5. I have it in sizes extra small all the way to 5X, and it doesn't matter if you have never made a garment before. This pattern is simple enough that even you can make it. So here's a list of supplies if you want to get your hook and start looking at what yarn you want to use. And again, I'll link my favorites down below, and we will get started. Okay friends, so for the simple sweater, I use LionBrand jeans yarn. I really love it. It's a worsted weight size 4 yarn. It has amazing stretch, and as you can see in the simple sweater here, it has these amazing little flecks of white, which is just my favorite part of this particular yarn. And the stretch is amazing. This sweater has already been washed and it has held up with its elasticity and the size of the sweater so well. So if you have never worked with LionBrand jeans, I'm going to link them down below, and you guys head over there and just give them a look. You're going to like it, I really think. So the first thing that we do is start off by making a slip knot, and we take our hook, and we're then just going to begin by chaining whatever number you are supposed to chain for the size that you're making. So just to show you how to do a foundation chain, it's a simple yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And you keep doing that until you have the exact number that you need for the size that you're making. And again, all of the sizes are down below in my Ravelry linked. This is a simple video to show you how to do the stitch and for me to explain the construction. So make your foundation chain for the correct link and then pop back in the video. Okay, so we have our foundation chain, and then what we're going to do is we're going to single crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. Now, this loop on your hook is not a chain. You have these guys down here, these are your chains, okay? And you want your foundation chain to look like this, almost like a braid, okay? So if it looks like this number and you've got some twisties and you don't have that perfect braid, I recommend stopping, pulling out the foundation and trying it again, and being very aware and attentive to the direction in which your braid is facing. So in the 3rd chain from the hook, so we have 1, 2, 3, we're going to place a single crochet. So you just go under that loop, insert your hook, yarn over, draw up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 2. And then from here, we're going to work the stitch combo, and the stitch combo is basically a single crochet, a chain 1, and a double crochet. So we're going to, that counts as our single crochet. We're going to chain 1 and now work a double crochet right into that same stitch, just like so. Now we're going to skip 2. So if we're looking here, we skip 1 and 2, and then we work the stitch combination again. It's a single crochet, chain 1, and then a double crochet into that same space. We skip 2. I'm going to zoom you in just so you can see really well. We skip 2. There's 1 loop, 2 loops, and then we work a single a stitch combination of a single crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet into that exact same loop. Skip 2, 1, 2, work a single crochet, a chain 1, and a double crochet all into that same space. So this is kind of what we're getting, kind of a little bit of an angled grouping of stitches. So skip those 2. Again, it's a single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. I'll do it one more time. Skip those 2, single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Do this all the way across, and when you get to the end, I'll explain to you how to finish off the row. Okay, so when you get to the last, you're going to skip the last 2 stitches, and you're going to place a single crochet into the very last stitch. You're going to chain 2 and then turn your work. And so the first thing that you're going to do is obviously you're going to skip these first 2 stitches, and right here in between the space, which is your chain 1 space of the previous row, so you've got your double crochet, your chain 1, your single crochet, right there into that space, this is where you are going to work another stitch grouping or cluster, if you will. So that's a single crochet, a chain 1, and then a double crochet all into that space. So you skip the next 2 stitches, and then right there in that space, okay, right there in that space, the chain 1 space of the previous row, you work another cluster or grouping of single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And all 4 panels are worked exactly like this. You have 2 sleeves and 2 body panels, and they're all worked in the exact same way. Okay, so very simple, very easy. It's such a lovely pattern, as you can tell, and the instructions are very clear. It's been tested. Our testers absolutely love this design. We have an ambassador team who tests all of our patterns, and they love it. It's one of their favorites, and I really think if you've never made a garment, or if you're looking for that perfect sweater pattern, you're absolutely going to love the Simple Easy Sweater by Yarn Hook Needles. And so if you need further instructions, I encourage you, head below, pick up that PDF for yourself for $5. All of the sizes are available, and there's pictorial instructions explaining to you how to seam it together and how to make adjustments to fit your body perfectly. I really hope you enjoy this, and I hope you have fun making this simple sweater. What'd you think? Do you think it's simple enough? Are you going to give it a try? If so, comment down below and let me know. Give this video a like if you do try it and you have success. I really am hoping to encourage you to dive into garment making. It's not as scary as you may think, and to try to add more and more handmade items to your closet. I know for me this year, I'm really trying hard to wear as much of my makes as I can all throughout the year. I have lots of fun designs in the works, and we have lots of patterns already, over 100 available that you have access to. So be sure you head over to Ravelry, look around, find some patterns that you love and like, and I'll be seeing you around. Yarniacs, it was great to see you today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.